Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be reading a book about Jane Goodall by Mary Nin, illustrated by Yulia Zolotava. Hi, I'm Jane Goodall. When I was a young girl, I had a favorite soft toy, like most children. My toy wasn't a typical teddy bear though. My toy was a chimpanzee. I wanted to work with animals and go to Africa, but many people laughed at me. They said I was a girl and our family didn't have any money. Even so, my mother never laughed at my dream of Africa, so I continued to pursue it. I was fascinated by the animal kingdom, but my family couldn't afford to send me to college, so I had to find work. I traveled with friends to Kenya and worked as a secretary for a renowned archaeologist and paleontologist. My boss wanted to train me to become his assistant as a chimpanzee researcher, so he paid for me to study at the University of Cambridge. Not many women worked in this field then. Because of this, many people doubted my success. But I was determined, and I traveled to Tanzania to study a community of chimpanzees. I was criticized a lot, particularly for giving each chimpanzee a name instead of a number. I did develop an emotional attachment to the animals, but my research provided groundbreaking insights into animal behavior. I became the only human in history to be accepted into a community of chimpanzees. I saw chimpanzee behaviors never before seen by a human. I learned that chimpanzees were extremely intelligent. They could use tools, work cooperatively, and hunt other creatures. They were also socially and emotionally more developed than we had imagined, showing affection through hugs and kisses and caring with others within their community. When I finally had to leave the chimpanzees colony, I used my knowledge and experience to set up a Jane Goodall Institute to support future research and encourage women into the field as well as men. It had become clear to me that conservation and the protection of our environment, including the habitats of these creatures, was vital for the future. I've dedicated my life to this work, and I hope it to have inspired the next generation to continue it. Change happens by listening and then starting a dialogue with the people who are doing something you don't believe is right. Here's a timeline. 1980, Jane wins the World Wildlife Award for Conservation. 1993, Jane is given the Rainforest Alliance Champion Award. 2002, Jane is named a United Nations Messenger of Peace. 2004, Jane was named Dame Commander of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!